Hi everyone, so I am going to show a quick tutorial on Wakelet. So I went to Wakelet and I created a free account. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click create a new collection. And for this tutorial, I'm going to title our collection Clara Barton. And my awesome description is founder of the American Red Cross. Now, what I really like about Wakelet is that you are making a curation. So you have different options on ways you can add articles to the collection or different items to the collection. The first one is from a web address. So here is a quick biography I have from Ducksters. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy the link and I will paste it and it'll automatically upload into my collection. The next thing that I could do is I could add some text. So some quick facts about Clara Barton, born on December 25th, 1821. Her nickname is Angel of the Battlefield. That's automatically inputted. You can also upload images. So I have one saved to my computer. We'll go ahead and upload it. You can add bookmarks as well. PDFs. So here's a PDF that I have. It is an article from Britannica. It's a biography of Clara Barton. And then this waffle with the plus sign here, it lets you add other features. So I'm going to go ahead and add a YouTube video. So here's a quick video I found about Clara Barton. We'll copy that and search it on YouTube here. Found it. We'll go ahead and add it. So then if you look over here in the settings, you can copy your collection, move it, delete it. Here in the little art palette, you can change the way it looks. You can make it look like a grid. You can have short little thumbnail with description. I prefer mood board. It reminds me of a Pinterest board, so that's how I'm going to keep mine. So what I really enjoyed about this is that when you go to share it, you need to change your setting to public. And there's many different ways you can share it. You can use a QR code that your students scan if they're working in a station. You can embed this on a website, or you can upload it straight to your Google Classroom. So I'm just going to copy the link so that you can see what it looks like from another point of view. So whenever you go from the link, this is what you would see. And there's all the articles, anything that I have of my collection that I want the students to read. I click the PDF and they will see it as a PDF when they click it. There's my quick facts. Now, another thing that I liked is you can invite collaborators. So students, if they're working on a group project, they can be adding to their collection together, and then they'll be able to work together on the information. So if they're all doing research on their own computers, they can post it to a Wakelet and see what the others have found. Now, there is also a search feature. So if I search for Clara Barton, and I click on a collection, one thing that I did like is as you're searching collections, you can use the immersive reader feature. And
Clara Barton is important to remember because she was a great help to keeping soldiers alive.
It'll read it out loud. So I did think that was pretty awesome. You can also give thumbs up, love it. You can share other people's collections as well. So if there was something cool that you found, you wanted to share with your class and just have them look at, there are some on here that you can search. Now, I did all of this with the free version, so I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Thank you.